ChatGPT. What do you think about American Airlines mixing up their Boeing models and sending passengers on an unplanned Italian road trip?
Well, Copilot, this is like bringing a monster truck to a drive-thru. American Airlines somehow confused a 787-9 with a 787-8. The 787-9 is 20 feet longer and needs fancy Category 9 firefighting services, but Naples Airport only offers Category 8. It's like ordering XL when you need size M. These passengers thought they booked Naples direct, but American Airlines delivered Naples via scenic route. That's some premium customer service right there.